Hey everyone, my name is Ben Chaish. I am a wedding and elopement photographer. I'm also just getting over the flu. It's kind of flu season, and so please excuse the terrible voice and everything like that today. But I want to show you how to move any preset that you already have on your computer quickly and easily onto Lightroom Mobile. Okay, so to do this, the first thing you're gonna have to do is open up Lightroom CC. Now, most people that I know are using Lightroom Classic, as it's called now, but the program that actually is going to mirror the one on your phone is Lightroom CC. So if you are a professional photographer and you're not already using that app, you are gonna have to actually find and download it. This also only works if you have the Creative Cloud subscription as well. So if you're using old versions of Lightroom or don't have that Adobe account, then it's not gonna work for you. So once you're in Lightroom CC, you're gonna see some sort of familiar panels, and especially if you are used to using the mobile app, you'll see a lot of really familiar panels because they're kind of mirrored with each other. At the bottom here, the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see this thing that says Presets. You can click on that. Click these three dots up top here. Click Import Presets. And then we can just go to Downloads, type in whatever our presets are called. Mine are called Cascade. And then we can just import all of those. So now you can see we have all of these presets that are actually gonna work really well on here. No big deal. And so as long as we are signed into the internet and kind of working off of this on our desktop or laptop or whatever, once that's on there and synced, it will sync to the cloud and thus push onto our Lightroom app on our phone. So now that I've loaded these into Lightroom CC on the computer, I'm gonna pull up my phone and check to see if they've made it into Lightroom Mobile. So it starts off here, we scroll to the far right side, there is this presets tab, and boom, they are in. We can kind of click through and use any of the ones we want on our photos here. So let me know if you have any questions. I wanted to make this video short, sweet. Every video I've seen on this takes forever to do, but I just wanted to find a quick, easy way to show you how to import any preset that you have onto your mobile device. So thanks so much for watching. Hopefully that was quick, easy, and helpful. If you're interested in my presets, I will link them below. They're great for wedding, portrait photographers, and anybody who wants kind of good, normal, classic colors. And then like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you aren't already. And thanks so much again. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.